Omwana w'empundu etaagatagwire obushaija twamushanga hirwarire rya Masindi Kitara Medical Center omu municipality ya Masindi aho bamwirukangize okutunga obujanjabi. Agnes Ezaru omunyabuzare wa nyina w'omwana ogu Chantal Kawambe yagira ngu empundu bagibugabugine barukuza hiziba.
Sasa huyo Kitara anakamata mtoto na akavuruta mtoto aende naye kwa mguu. Sasa akakuja nani na karua mtoto. Na karua mwili yake ya nani ya bwana. Sasa hapo mama ya mtoto akanyang'anya mtoto yake akamenya nyumbani.
Mulingo tugenzera maiso ndo kumukebera. Obusigo bayo munda obukuli bwamu burumu munda tubusikirwe mu kandi tufunire ekihoya kiona ira afunire ekihoya gura rususu wao.
Ezaru nagira ngo bamanyiseho abarukurinda enyamisha zo mu kibira kandi baraganiso kubahikaho ahirwarro.
Na wengine alikuwa iko hata alikuwa mtoto yangu mwenyewe wanaita Patricia Munguland. Pia kitu ilikuja kamate lakini mimi nikazana ale kamate kwa maji ile iko ya mlima sana.
We have been facing those kind of problem and it is not the first time and it is now several time happening within the area, but what is helping us it is the sub county and the staff of the Budongo Forest project who are handling those cases.
Fred Chiza omwahabatura hamwe na chairman w'egomborra ya Budongo Julius Chahurwa bashaba bukiro kukwataho okwimukiro mu nshongeji babajone empundu.
We are really requesting the government officials concerning with the UAS to see that really they help us. They can come to the village on ground to see that they sensitize us with the people of the community.
Uwate tufuaho lenge okureportinga iswezo muno uwate tufuaho gonzaro kiro kimu empise kaija kwa tembuzi yasi within cyaro kino cya Nyabyeya twaga twa reporting or there is nothing which took place. Want to make it worse, we are the Budongo, we don't benefit even from what is in nanka revenue kuruga erugo mu uwa beka tukasinga yo cyaba nizivwa ebisoro bikuruga mu park.
Waden wa Budongo twagambaho nawe ahasimo kandi ebintu byo yatugambira.
Nobody has reached me with this kind of information. I'm going to follow it up. It is very unfortunate, but I want you also to make statements correct. We don't have gorillas in this area. What we have are chimpanzees. What we have to do, we are going to meet all the medical costs of the affected person, and we shall after follow up with the appropriate compensation.
Ogutumurundo gwo kubanza empundu kukwata abana bita bukiro kukwataho ne batoro banje abantu abatahirire ebibera agabire garya maka gempundu gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.